Afternoon, Professor. Now I will comment a little about my conclusion about the electricity generating system. On this occasion, the circuit responsible for the generation of electricity in the aircraft was analyzed. The component that most interesting us in this system are regulators and generators. The regulators is in charge of generating the necessary voltage and current to the coil of the generators. In spite of constantly changing terms to be able to produce the necessary power for the coils of the generators and therefore generate the necessary power for the aircraft. And I need a parenthesis, and the regulators found in the aircraft are not those founded by the manufacturer. These were perhaps changed by the failure in the previous ones. So I will continue. And the generators produce alternating current by the formation of magnetic lines generated by the electromagnets, thus inducing themselves in the other conductors. And this alternating current is corrected by diodes that contain the same generators, and correcting the wave thus emitting DC power. And when the generators are not producing enough current to keep the electrical system running, the regulators detected this and provides ground to lamps to turn on, and thus making them serve as an indicator. And that was a summary of how the system generator works. Thank you, Professor.